after I completed my bachelor's graduation, and I got a chance to work in oil and gas construction field, where I have worked almost 4.5 years. And then during those time, I'm very much interested to join in the software field. So I quitted my job and came to QSpiders for learning manual testing, various subjects like manual testing, Java, SQL, and I have learned. During those time, I had a chance to attend Amazon interview, and I attended, and I performed well. And I got the selection mail too. These are all possibilities because of the trainers. They really helped me to get placed in Amazon, and they gave grooming and all to perform well in the interviews. So I really thank them to get me this opportunity.